Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing. I know I usually do music videos, but today I'm going to do an unboxing of these Oreo BTS collab cream cookies. And so as you can see, they're brown sugar pancake or Hotteok flavored. And I got these at Walgreens. This is a drugstore in the US, and this was actually the last pack. So it looks like there's 13 cookie designs, and I believe these were released May 2026. I'm not sure the exact date, but I am really excited about opening these and seeing if I can collect all of the cookies. So without further wait, let's rip this package open. So they open just like any other Oreo packet, and they're beautiful purple. I have a little napkin so I can set these all out for you as I take them out. So I've got this one, every twist. Okay, I'm just gonna turn them like this. This one says, Dear BTS Army. Super cute. So that's 2. BTS Oreo. It looks like these are all the same in the back. This one has the heart sign. So far, no duplicates. This is the little army light stick bomb. Really cute. And another heart. I'll set this one down here. There's the BTS symbol. And what else have I got? Okay, I have BTS. Ooh, a big BTS. BTS Oreo. Let me turn this one back around, which I have. And leads to us, our universe BTS Army, the biggest love BTS Army. Yes, I will be touching all of these. Every twist. These are all my dupes. Uh-oh, oh no, I have one that's slightly broken. I'm so sad. Hopefully it's a duplicate I have. And it is. Don't worry, they taste all the same, even if they're broken. There we go. And our happiness BTS Army. Is that everything? Our universe. Okay, looks like I have them all. How exciting. So that is all of them. Let me show you all of them now. Really cute. Of course, I'm going to eat one. Let me eat this one that's already broken. It's like a light brown sugar flavor. It feels less sweet, or it tastes less sweet maybe than the other ones, but I don't eat Oreos regularly, so I'm going to have to ask my husband because he's the Oreo lover. But I do like, it's like a light little brown sugar. It's kind of crunchy inside. Oh, I really like these. So maybe I will have to buy another bag if I can even find one. So good luck out there, Army. I hope you find one yourself. And they are just really delicious, actually, kind of addictive. But I hope you can find yours at your local store. Again, I found these at Walgreens. It's a drugstore in the US. So hopefully you can find it near a store where you're at. Thank you. Bye-bye.